fans, me again, Brick Dragon, a new mock video. Here you go, you give me a like and subscribe, I give you videos of mocks. So here we go, you can watch this as another video, great. Now you can watch this skull mock, it looks sick, tell me your opinion. The mold is perfect, teeth are sick. Now, the axe is also there. Size of the tongue. Let's start. So you first have the bottom, size of the lava display, has the middle base to inhabit its strength. Now, there's lava pieces to initiate lava spills, giving it a more lava effect. Now watch this teeth, and now you have another platform, with another platform, separate platforms, platformception. Great. Now stick that on there. If I separate them, it gives a shock to the camera, but simply it is just a teeth that are completely stuck. There's 16 others, and I initially notices that these two connect and are perfect to the, and also has an axe effect like a swinging tongue or another occipital. And this skull is perfectly molded, but start at the base, as noticeable, the bottom. Now you can see the curve, like an opening mouth curve. You see the connectors on the top. The top is 3 bottom plates. It gives a smooth background. Remove this. You can notice the eyes look like eye sockets. Just look at this. Slippery plates. The eyes are different. And you can notice that these come up to give it the molded effect. Now it looks good. The two things are great. Let me get rid of this piece and see ya.
Everybody shake it, baby.